This step is completely unstable. Look at the corrosion here.
Easy now.
Set it down right there.
Steady now, bring it up slowly.
Okay, it's almost in the frame.
Is truly stunning.
It's perfect. The sunset makes...
All right, lift the edge slightly.
Quite the view, isn't it?
Structurally, we have our work cut out for us.
Agreed. Let's get the initial readings.
The erosion here is extensive. We need to document every crack in the stonework.
And the rust on that ladder means it hasn't been maintained in decades.
This step is completely unstable. Look at the corrosion here.
The moisture readings confirm significant structural failure. I'm noting it down. All right, swing it over this way.
Easy now.
Set it down right there by the base. Ready to lift? On 3. 1, 2, up. Okay, lock it in B, nice and tight.
The steel framework here exceeds the load-bearing specifications by 20%.
That's excellent news.
It just keeps going up.
I've never seen anything like it.
Bring it down slow, watch the rotation on that side. Hold the tension right there. Easy now, easy. All right, keep it coming down slow.
Watch the gap on your side. Hold it.
Looks good, set it down.
This is stunning work. The stability is impressive.
It really transforms the whole space.
Steady now, bring it up slowly.
Okay, it's almost in the frame.
Watch the corner, secure it there.
Watch the edge over there.
Okay, bringing more mix now.
Make sure it's level before it sets.
The finish on this concrete is absolutely flawless.
It really is. The reflection of the ocean is stunning. Let's try it right here.
Okay, push. A little more to the right.
Yes, that's much better.
Does that look straight to you?
Hold it right there. I'll secure this side. think we finally nailed this recipe.
Absolutely. The presentation is going to be stunning, too.
All right, easy now. Tilt it slightly to the left.
Got it. Watch that edge.
What a view. This architectural achievement is truly stunning.
It's perfect. The sunset makes the red roof glow.
This chair fits perfectly here. Shall we sit and enjoy the view?
I love it. The morning light over the ocean is magnificent.
That looks perfect. Nice work on the vanity.
Thanks. This faucet really completes the look.
All right, lift the edge slightly.
Got it. Got it. Is it aligned now?
Looks good. I'm securing the mount.
Okay, slide it just a few inches left. Right here?
Yes, that's perfect. Now let's grab the chairs. The bed looks perfect now. Bye.
And the artwork fits right in.
What a view. Hey, save some of that for the plates.
No promises.
To many more evenings just like this one.
I'll drink to that. Happy anniversary.
I am so glad we decided to come here tonight. This view is breathtaking.
It really is. I couldn't imagine a more perfect evening.
I can't believe how bright the stars are out here.
And the sound of the waves. It feels like a dream.
To a wonderful evening and even better friends.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
To this view, absolutely breathtaking.
It really is the perfect evening.
I'll drink to that.